Bonjour and welcome to Paris, the city I used to live as a young chef. You know, it is so exciting for food. There is 60 markets dotted all around Paris, and from there you can buy food from all around France. It is really a place you visit, a place you go for drinks, a place you go for food. From the Eiffel Tower to the Seine, you can eat very well. Christian, what are the people going to drink today?
Well, Gabriel, no doubt, lots of celebration and lots of drinking, but one very popular aperitif is Kir, which is made with liqueur de cassis from Dijon, which is a blackcurrant liqueur, and a little bit of a dry Chardonnay, usually from Burgundy. That was invented by Félix Kir, which was to be the mayor of Dijon after the Second World War, because he didn't like his white wine too dry, so he added a bit of liqueur. It's very easy to do. All you need is 1 measure of cassis liqueur that you pour in a glass, and about 5 measures of a sort of nice, dry, aromatic, chilled white wine. Now, if you are in a sparkling mood and want something a bit more fizzy, you can add champagne to make a Kir Royal.
Well, thank you, Christian. It has been so good that you have helped us during this series, so I want to thank you. Now we are going to prepare a really special dish from Paris, coquille Saint-Jacques à la Parisienne, and Philippe is preparing one for us. First, start with some fresh plum scallops, seasoned with salt and pepper, and place in a small saucepan, together with some sliced mushrooms. Cover with some fish stock and bring to a simmer slowly, and once it starts simmering, perhaps poach for about 20 seconds. Then drain the scallops and the mushrooms and place on some scallop shells. Now it is time to make the sauce. In a small saucepan, put 20 grams of butter, melt it, and then add 20 grams of flour. Mix well to make a roux. Then very slowly whisk on top of the roux the stock. It will form a very smooth sauce, and once you have incorporated all the stock, add a little bit of cream. Now in a bowl, mix a couple of tablespoons of cream with 1 egg yolk, and then pour that egg yolk and cream preparation in the sauce. Now you need to remove the sauce from the heat to do that. Spoon the sauce over the scallop and mushroom. Sprinkle a little bit of Gruyere cheese that you have grated, as well as some breadcrumbs. Place in a very hot oven or under the grill for a few minutes until you can see that it is golden brown, and remove it out of the oven, and I can assure you it is absolutely delicious. Philippe, thank you so much for sharing your talent with us. I've really enjoyed the dishes you have prepared for us, but tell me, which one did you enjoy most?
I have to say I enjoy all of them, but probably the best for me was the salmon with the beurre blanc and the asparagus.
Well, thanks again, it was great. Well, it has been a great pleasure for me to be with you in the last 21 days, so for now, au revoir.